Hey everybody, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with a concealer. This is like the lightest concealer Morphe has. And don't forget to use my code PrettyGrace for some money off online. Right now that we're in quarantine, you can definitely use my code online. I'll list all my discount codes down below for you guys. It just helps me out a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this all out into my eye. Then I'm gonna use the Makeup Geek shadows, and I'm going to start off using the yellow shadow, and I will list the names in the bottom bar so you guys can buy them as singles. I really like her shadows. They're not too expensive, and you know, they're amazing. Then I'm going to go with the pink shadow and place that next to the yellow one. Mixing pink and yellow makes orange, so it will kind of do that, but I like it. Then I'm going to go with the purple shade and apply this right in the outer corner of the eye. You do want to pack this on as much as you want. Definitely, it's preference if you really want it to be very bright. So make sure you pack it as much as you want. So I'm just applying this color with a Morphe brush, and I'm applying this right onto my crease. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to go ahead and apply a orange shade on top of that. So basically I'm just using this purple color just to carve out where I'm going to place the orange, because anyways I go back with a blue shadow and apply it as a cut crease. So I'm just blending this out with the orange shade from the Makeup Geek palette. Like I said, I will list the products down below for you guys if you guys are interested, and with discount codes. Now that we can go out, definitely we can shop online or some places. So I'm just going back and deepen that purple color again. I don't want to lose the intensity of it, but I still want it to blend nicely. So I'm going back with the yellow shade, and I'm going to go on top of where I applied that orange just to blend it out so I don't have any harsh lines. It felt so weird to do my eyeshadows without my brows being done, but I felt like I wanted to do the shadows first. So yeah. Then I'm going with the Smashbox eyeliner. This one's a blue one. I listed down below as well. Very creamy. I like it. So I decided to apply this right into my waterline. Then I went with a blue shadow from that same palette. And then I just blended that out. So I smudged it. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the pink and the purple as well. So I'm just smudging it and blending that in. It's okay. You can bring it down as much as you want or not that much. I feel like if I do bring it down a lot, I start looking a little crazy. So I try to keep it as close as I can. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my liner. I did mark where I wanted to start doing the cut crease kind of. So I did the little mark, and then I went with the blue eyeliner just to put some on my to carve out the little wing liner. So alright, so I was like, okay, I like that. I'm gonna leave it as is because that's where it's going to help me do my blue cut crease, so you guys can see. So I do carve it out very lightly at first, because if I were to mess up and I do it as dark, it's going to be hard to fix it, trust me. So you want to start lightly and then kind of start carving and adding the color a little bit by little. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to be switching over from two different brushes and just applying the purple on there to just help me blend that out. Then I go back with another brush and then I blend out the orange, using the orange to blend that out. And then I'm gonna go back again with the blue. So basically I'm just going to be layering it and blending it out because I kind of want that sunsetty kind of like you know, grading color. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna take my time and carve this all out, blend it out, and apply color as I go. Alright, once I am satisfied with everything, I'm going to go back and retouch all the colors just so that they're bright and they pop, because once I've been layering colors, I'm sure going to have fallout and they're going to really mess with the lid colors. So you just want to go back and retouch everything just to make sure that everything is really bright and blended and you know, it looks good. So I'm going to remove the setting powder under my eyes, and then I'm going to go ahead and um, apply a little bit of the blue shadow again and just blend it out. Then I'm applying a little bit of that purple shadow as well, and that's just going to help me blend out that blue harsh line that I made. And then I'm going with another Morphe brush, and then I'm going to apply that pink shadow. It's going to help blend all these colors wonderfully. These colors together are so pretty, you guys. Like, I don't understand how these colors are so nice together, but wow. So yeah, moving on, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. I'm going to be using my duo glue, and I'm going to apply these lashes. I believe these are Ava lashes from Makeup Geek, I think. I'm not sure because I found them without a box. Um, and I had to like not wash them, but I had to kind of clean them out so I can fix the bristles. But definitely these were Makeup Geek lashes. I just don't remember which one. So yeah, I'll try to figure that out for you guys because honestly, I just leave lashes everywhere. So all right, so I'm trying as close as I can to put these lashes closest to my real lashes. So you want to make sure that they are. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara. This one is from London something. I don't know. I really like it though. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara onto my lashes just so that my real lashes stick to the falsies, and then my bottom lashes pop a little bit because, you know, with all that shadows and everything, they tend to disappear. So you want them to pop a little bit. So that's what I'm doing. So for lips, I'm using this MAC lip gloss. I have no idea the name of it because the sticker is missing from the bottom. But I think they still have it because I got it from Nordstrom. So I have no idea though. But it's a very pretty color. Yeah, that's basically what I did. Um, and I just wanted to do some lip gloss because I feel like I was already having a lot going on in my eyes, so I kind of wanted to tone it down on my lips. Basically, that's what I like to do. If I'm going to do dramatic eyes, I want to do like a nude lip. If I'm going to do like easy eyes, I do like a dramatic lip just to kind of balance everything out. I apply a little bit of setting spray. This one is the Makeup Forever setting spray. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add more highlighter. I'm going to apply this to my cheeks just to give it a little bit of highlight because once I apply the setting powder on my eyes to catch any fallout, I feel like it just sucked up the whole highlighter. So yeah, I'm just going to apply highlighter just to give this look the final touches, you know. And you just want to do it wherever you want to highlight. I basically do it all on my face because I really love highlight. I think highlight is like my favorite part of doing makeup. Alright, so I'm going to use this ColourPop jelly type of thing, and I'm going to apply this right in the inner corner of the eyes just to give it a little pop, just to like brighten the inner corners of the eyes, and basically that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and don't forget to share this video. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!